You done?
Mary, you want to come plant some spinach?
Okay, what kind of spinach do we have over here?
Okay, so I went through our seed pack to see what we had. Here you go. So we've got 3 types. We've got Giant Noble, which is a very large variety that we like to grow to use for wraps. Yeah. Yeah, here you go. There you go. Okay. Okay. So we have Giant Noble, which is a large variety that we use as a replacement for tortillas and wraps. Bloomsdale Longstanding is the most common variety that you'll find. I really am trying to get away from growing this, but we have the seeds, so why not use them? And then this America variety is an heirloom variety. So we're going to plant this over on the side of the shed.
What does heirloom mean?
Oh. So what heirloom means is it is a plant. It is a variety that is true to its seed, which means that its mother and its father were both the same. Were both this variety. It's not a cross between 2 different varieties. And heirloom also means it's been handed down for a certain number of years. I don't know if it's 60 or 100 or whatever. It's been around for a long time. It's been doing this thing for a long time. Basically, is what this variety's been doing. So on the side over there of the shed, we're going to plant this and hopefully maybe just leave it as a bed of spinach year-round, and then when it goes to seed, we'll just let the seeds develop and drop down, and then it'll just come back up in the fall. So that's what we're gonna do with this kind. And Mary has her own plans of stuff.
What is she planting down there?
She's doing a great job. Not one a seed. She's doing 1 each hole now.
Good.
She's planting the Giant Noble.
Okay, great. Good job, Mary.
So that is what we're doing with spinach. There are a lot of varieties of spinach. We've had up to 14 out here in the spring. And basically I just buy any variety I see when I'm in a nursery. And they're all good, and they all have their own flavor. And I don't really have a favorite yet. I
like combining all of them together.
Check out the seed scattering skills that I have acquired. Do you see this?
Talent.
Do you see that?
Okay, here, I'm zooming in. I'm zooming in.
Does it have it? Okay, watch this. Look at that.
It's beautiful.
That takes years to acquire. That is the pro skill right there.
Good job.
Again. Watch.
Oh, okay.
I don't know when I got good at this. And I don't know why I'm not good at this in the kitchen, because anytime I try and sprinkle something, like it gets over the entire counter.
Yes, it does.
So
I can vouch for that.
So I'm not sure how I acquired this skill.
Well, hopefully it'll transfer over into the kitchen.
You pulley.
Yeah, roly-poly?
Roly-poly. Have we planted all through here yet? Is this one fully planted?
Fully planted.
This one is fully planted. Over here, use that. Good. Uh-oh.
Did you plant over there?
Yeah.
Oh, look at you.
We'll sprinkle a little more here.
That's our method. Just put a whole bunch everywhere, and we just continue thinning them, so we don't have to worry.
I mean, come look at this bed over here, and we can show them where we already did this. So this is just like, you sprinkle seeds everywhere. They start popping up, you start eating them, and then eventually there's not as many, and you're left with just like this is left over from the spring, I think. Some stuff that made it through the summers. So that's pretty much what we're going to be planting through here, is just greens, spinach all through here, and we've already got lettuce and kale that's coming up through here. The other day I also took kale out here and just started throwing it everywhere. So we'll see what happens with that. That's why we have so many beans everywhere, because I did that with the southern peas earlier in the season. So we're gonna have a lot of spinach right there.
Yep.
That is for sure.
This is Mary's spot.
There'll be a lot of spinach right there. We'll be guaranteed spinach right there. Right, Mary?
What's your plan? Over the seeds. Okay, it's going to be a really good area of spinach. Are you excited? It's your section right there.